Say hello to the future of floor care with the Roborock Qrevo CurvX, a robot vacuum and mop designed with precision, power, and total convenience in mind. With its curved edge design, intelligent navigation, and hands-free maintenance features, the CurvX isn't just smart, it's built for seamless everyday living. With structured light and an RGB camera, the robot intelligently detects and avoids 108 types of objects, seamlessly navigating around obstacles in both well-lit and dark spaces. No need to clear your floor beforehand.